Hey, welcome to Manchistan Kurdish family. I think it's my first time seeing someone with sunglasses doing a form of the Halay dance. Now, I'm not actually sure what region this is, you know what I'm saying, in the Middle East, but this is titled Twafa Sltan Ezi Le Doxata or Doxata Part 2, you know what I'm saying, ArtVideo, you know what I'm saying. Welcome to Twafa Sltan TV. You're watching, you know what I'm saying, the Kurdish family. How y'all guys doing? I am Jay Munchie. Hope you got the munchies for music and you hungry for music. You know what I'm saying? We about to keep checking out, you know what I'm saying, this song that we actually started, you know what I'm saying, reacting to, part of the intro, you know what I'm saying. With no further ado, let's get back into this, you know what I'm saying, amazing video, dance, you know what I'm saying. Let me know what country this is, okay, or province. I mean, I think I kind of know, but then again, I don't know, so I'm not going to try to guess. He got sunglasses on too. Okay. You know what? These are Middle Easterners, right? They either Assyrian and Kurds. They don't look like Kurds. They're Assyrians. So they might be Assyrians. I won't be surprised if you tell me this is Assyria. You know what I'm saying? Yo, they look like people in the Balkans, and there's one country in particular, because like I noticed a lot of the guys got this type of hairstyle, and actually look, the beard too. So there's a country in the Balkans by the name of Bosnia I Herzegovina. Yeah, da. You know what I'm saying? Dobro došli my Bosniaks. You know what I'm saying? But the men look just like the Bosnians, and because of the sunglasses too, like that's a big thing, a part of the men of their fashion and they look. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if they dressing down. You know what I'm saying? They wear the sunglasses, so they kind of remind me. I wonder if some Bosnians are Assyrians. These not Kurds though. For some reason I could tell these are not Kurds. They either Afghanistani or Pakistani or Assyrian, maybe Iraqi. Ooh, that beat. Ooh, that instrument though. Spicy. So another thing I noticed, so I definitely know this is not Kurdish because they're not spinning rags or handkerchiefs or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the actual name of it. The name y'all call it. But they meaning, you know, like the Kurds and the Turks and stuff. They using some type of spinning things. You know what I'm saying? And in this video, it's the males that's using them. Or, I don't know, that's just a male thing, you know what I'm saying? So, let me know in the comment section, though. But I'm not gonna lie, the women, definitely Assyrian or Pakistani. It might be Iranian, maybe, or Turkish. Damn, that girl in pain. Ooh. They even barely doing anything and they still on beat with it. That's crazy. Yeah, this was an amazing video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna rate this dance. You know what I'm saying? We didn't react to the whole video, of course. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to ArtVideo. You know what I'm saying? And excuse me because I don't know where my beautiful people are from, but by the time this video uploads and I read the comments, someone let me know. So with that being said, I see you. Peace. Oh, and I rate this 5 stars. And I love the melodies and the instruments. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, they were barely even, they just bopping. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say bouncing up and down, but going up, moving up and down. You know what I'm saying? And that's all they was doing while they were holding hands. You know what I'm saying? You can't forget that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm Jay Munchie. You're watching Rose Boss Family.